doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all using Makeup Revolution products. I'm gonna be creating a look based on all the Makeup Revolution products. And if you don't know, Makeup Revolution is a very affordable Indian and international brand. I'm very happy to see all their products launching in India now, basically better than before, and I really like their products from the beginning of my makeup journey, and so I have collected a bunch of their products, basically not only 3 of the items of the whole makeup look. Other than that, everything else which I use today is gonna be Makeup Revolution, and it's gonna be an interesting video. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna be starting with primer. I don't have any from Makeup Revolution, so I'm gonna be using my Smashbox Photo Finish primer. Now done, it is now absorbed in my skin. I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution stick foundation, which is the fast base stick foundation, and I have got 2 shades, F2 and F4, but I'm gonna be bronzing up later really well, so that my skin for the face matches my body, which is currently a little bit tanner than usual. So this I have used once, and I really like the finish and the coverage. It's very satin, which is not friendly to my oily combination skin tone these days, and it's more towards oily these days. Conceal and define, which is pretty much similar to the Tarte Shape Tape, and I really love it. It's in the shade C3. So I'm gonna take a brush from Morphe to do my brows with the Makeup Revolution Focus and Fix Eyebrow Shaping Kit. Now I really like their brick, the shimmer brick, but my favorite blush highlighter from all my collection is one of the Makeup Revolution highlighter, which is the Pro Illuminate. It's amazing, guys. It's like similar to the D-Balm Mary Lou Maniaca.
I can't feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me.
Isn't it, beaming? I've come a little bit closer to show you my eye makeup now, and let's get started with the eye products. We have the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave, which is one of their oldest, most sellers. Makeup Revolution palette, which is the Reloaded Neutrals 2. You can see 2 of the shades broken, but other than that, it is amazing palette. The shades are highly pigmented, and I'm really sad for especially this shade which broke, which was a nice matte, beautiful chocolate brown, and I'm really sad that this one got broke. And I'm gonna be placing it on the outer crease. I'm gonna use a flat brush, and I'm gonna take this shimmer shade, which is like a champagne rosy gold, Ooh, it's so pigmented. Foiled metal shadow in the shade, what shade is this? Rose gold, which is not really a rose gold color, sadly, which is more of a champagne color, I believe.
Stars are bright. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter.
So guys, this is the final look and I am really happy with the base, the eyes. Eyes I already know because I have used these eyeshadows quite while, and a highlighter I am in love with this. But this is the first time I'm trying their fast base. The concealer is awesome, and the lipstick I have not tried much, but it is okay-ish for now. Still feels like tacky. So I'm not sure about that, but other things are great. The eyebrows are nice, and the eyeliner, the kajal was intense blacks. This brand as a whole is so good for affordable makeup buyers, and it will just, you know, there are some amazing products which are like duped for the high-end brands, so you can get their products without any, you know, second thought. There are many brands which have the similar products which are double the cost of these brands, this brand. So I really like everything, and hope you like the look as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.